here at the harbour. Just come to stretch the jet ski's legs. It hasn't been out for a while. Not expecting to catch much in here at this time of year. It's bang in the middle of winter. No, it's not a lie, it's almost spring. But yeah, the water's still pretty cold. So I don't know if there'll be any snappers in here, I doubt it. But there should be a trevally or two, plenty of kahawai. So yeah, if we catch something, it'll be a bonus. But we just come out here to sit here and can you hear it? Can you hear it? Yeah, nothing. Sit here, have a relaxing day, and if we get a fish, it'll be a bonus. Yeah, so we've got our burley in the water. Burley's going over there. I did see a bit of sign up there, so I come back up this way and anchored so I can cast into it. I don't know what it is. Could be just a big bunch of mackerel, herrings. It was on the bottom, so we'll give it a go and flick our bait out, and hopefully we get something. If not, still a beautiful day out here, whānau. Check it out. Just me, the ski, the water, and the bro's beeping horn over there, and the roosters. Got our usual suspects, whānau. Plenty of KYs out there. I've caught a few. Oh, this one might have a fish, I think. But I didn't bring the camera stuff, so I can't even video it. You know. Ooh. Let's see if this is. So we bought the old, AliExpress special £6 line. Have some fun with the kahawais. But there's heaps out there. I've caught 4. Get one for some tougher baits. Oh. They're gonna bend over. Little guys. Not big kahawai, just little ones. That size. Oh, we might have one whānau. Hang on, I'm gonna have to put you down for a second. Oh yeah, me reel's pakaru. I should choose it. Perfect release. Right, I'm going to bait up again. First trevally whānau. Little pack of them must have been through because that one was bending while I was trying to wind this one into. It's not a bad fish, but we'll let him go. There he goes. He gone. Hopefully we get some more of those. Those are fun. There's something good on that one too. Alright, get another bait. Our tide spun to go up, whānau. Bites are stopped. Got a few trevallies. Let them all go. We'll just sit here, wait for the tide to spin around. Have a relax, lie down. Oh. Live the life. This is living the life, whānau. Oh no, the bites have stopped. Tide's turning, ready to go out. Hopefully they come back on the outgoing tide. Hopefully the bigger trevally show up. It's only the little ones. Takeable, but we're not down on those. We want the big ones. People getting oysters. So yeah, check back in when the tide turns. If I don't go to sleep. Just done a bit of a move. Come out towards the entrance a bit more. I go fishing over there off the beach a bit. Get some mean trevallies off here. And first 2 casts. Got ourselves a couple of good fish in there. Pretty decent trevally and kahawai. Yep. We got our bonus for the day. Still beautiful out here too. Still mean as out here. It's a bit hard for me to video me winding them in because I don't have my thingy to put the camera on the phone. But yeah, that's a good start. First 2 baits, 2 fish. Way bigger than the trevallies up the other end. So yeah, we'll see how we go here for a while. Mean day whānau, we home. Time to clean the ski. Clean up the couple of fish we kept. We kept a decent sized trevally and a horse of a kahawai. The kahawai swallowed the hook, so might as well bring it back. And the young fella loves the old raw fish, so kept him a trevally for that. But yeah, the ski ran mean. Been sitting for months and started up straight away. Didn't even charge it. So, that's us whānau. Till next time, like, subscribe, hit us up with a comment, and we'll see you out there next time. Sure.